Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is finepanama. Those of you who don't know me, if you do know me, welcome back. So we're going to be doing a full face. So let's just get right into this, guys. How is everybody doing today? Okay, let me know in the comments. How are you? Good. I'm awesome and we're about to fleek. Okay. So first we're gonna start off with priming the face. Of course, you always want to make sure you're really well moisturized, your face is clean. So if you want a smooth application of makeup, you want to make sure that your face is freshly washed, freshly moisturized, and freshly primed. So one of them, the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studios. I like it because it's like, well, to be honest, I never tried it before, but I have tried a different kind and it worked really good, and I already like the feeling. It's like putting on like a little sticky mask. You don't want no dry lips. You guys, I am such a goofball. Like, if you can tell from my last video, like, I love laughing. I laugh at myself all the time. So just, if you like to laugh, you come to the right place. If you don't like to laugh and you think I'm fucking crazy and I'm extra, then you can just exit this video right now, because it's gonna be a whole lot more craziness and extraness, because that's just me, you guys. Like, I don't know, like, I'm crazy. Okay guys, I did my brows off camera because you guys already seen them before. Y'all know y'all crazy, I'm crazy. So anyways, let's get this going. Tape method, yes, because don't you want your shit fleeky? Because I do. The tape method is really simple. You just take some and you stick it right there, so that your eyeshadow has like an ending with a base, basically. Some people use eyeshadow primer. I don't really care for eyeshadow primer. I have some because I'm a product junkie. So these are my eyeshadow brushes. They're just a lot of little brushes that I've got. So I'm not gonna do anything too crazy today. I just want to do like a basic so you guys know what to do. You look crazy, we already crazy, we don't need to look crazy, okay? We need to look good so that the niggas can't tell that we crazy, okay? I'm just kidding. I want everybody to know that I'm crazy, okay? And not like stalker crazy, nothing like that, just crazy like I'm crazy, you know? Or wondering. Okay, so you want to take your fluffy-ish brush, and we're gonna use this palette today. This is my favorite, one of my favorites. My best friend gave this one to Profusion Mixed Metals matte and metallic eyeshadow palette, but I love it. Okay, so first color is always the lightest. I'm still a little indecisive. Probably gonna go with Outgoing because I'm like brown, you know. So this is very important, where you hold your brush for your eyeshadow application. Where you hold your brush could literally be the determining factor. There you go. The determining factor for how your eyeshadow is going to look, all off how you hold your brush, you guys. Like, makeup is all about technique. All about technique and practice. But be careful where you hold your brush. You don't want to hold your brush like this, because your brush, you have too much control of the brush. You're gonna pack the makeup on, the eyeshadow on too heavily. You don't want to do that. You want everything to flow. Basically, if you like the heavy look, I'm not trying to offend anyone. If you like the heavy look, then do you, boo. But if you don't and you want the more natural look, then you come to the right place, because I don't really like the heavy look on me, like so heavy. But some people do, and you look good and I look good, and we good, okay? So you want to take your brush and you want to hold it closer to the end. The less control you have of your brush when you're applying, the better your makeup's gonna come out. So you want to take whatever shadow you're using, and I'm using Outgoing for my transition color, and that's just the first color. And you just want to go in windshield wiper motions or circular motions. Sometimes I be switching it up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I need to like adjust my light a little bit. So windshield wiper motions basically, or circular motions, whatever you like. I do them both, you know. Sometimes I go like this. So that's your transition color. That's the top color. That's the color that needs to blend with everything. So just make sure that, you know, you're blending it well. And remember the brush rule. You're gonna start off with fluffiest brush. The biggest, fluffiest brush that you have, that's the one that you want to go for. Use Fearless. This is like my go-to eyeshadow look. I love these colors. I love this palette. Bestie, when you watch this, thank you so much for this fucking palette, because I use it all the time. I'm gonna be using Fearless next, if I didn't already say that. Fearless. And you want to make sure tap the excess off, okay? You don't want too much products. You want less. Less is best, unless you like that look. If you don't like that look, then less is best. And again, windshield wiper motions or circular motions. You see that, guys? It's really pretty. I love this palette so much, you guys. So you just want to make sure you're blending it well, and you see how it's all blending out really well. Oh, you guys, I'm not a freaking pro, okay? I was honestly so scared to do eyeshadow. I never did eyeshadow because I was like, it never comes out right. I always look stupid. Is a smaller brush to pack on, like this, to pack on your darkest color that you're going to be using. And I'm going to be using Burlesque, I think that's what it's called, this color. Burlesque or Qui, whatever, y'all know what I mean. And you just want to put that on your lid, that color on your lid, and in your crease, the darkest color. And you always want to make sure that you're blending well and you're holding your brush correct, you know? Okay. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Same thing, same motion, same. It's not fun, you know? Like, this stuff takes time. That's why men, stop rushing us, okay? This takes time, boo. All this just don't come like snip, snip, snap. No. Time. Be patient, okay? Thank you. Men, stop rushing your ladies. We don't want to be rushed. We don't want to be rushed. We want to be left alone so we can do our damn makeup, okay? Bomb. Okay. Next, once I do my eyeshadow, take these off. See that, you guys? See that precision and that just fleekness of that eyeshadow? Like, did you guys see that? That's why I like to use tape. Some eyeliner. So this is how I like my wing eyeliner to look. I don't know how anybody else likes theirs to look, but I like mine to be like thick, kind of, and cat eye-ish. So after that, we do mascara and then lashes. You guys are looking at my nose. Are you guys see any boogers in there? Put on falsies, you guys. Always have some duo glue. I put the glue on and I put the lash on my eye immediately, or it just doesn't work for me. So you should always measure your lashes. I already have measured mine. Take your lashes and you want to get them on the tweezer like this, just like this, and it will make your application so easy. There we go. So you want to put it right on your lash line, and then I pull away and I adjust, and then I also adjust here, and then, you know, apply a little bit of pressure, and then just take your hand. Some people use like this little tool, but I just take my hand because I'm comfortable with my hand, and just, you know, kind of press your lashes to the lash line. Now you have your falsies on. So next we want to do our foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in 360 Mocha. I found that my makeup would always look, my foundation would always look cakey, and I was like, why the fuck is my makeup so cakey looking? Like, I don't get it. You know, I just bought the best stuff. Why is my makeup cakey? And it was because I was putting on too much foundation. So guys, just be careful and be mindful. Less is best if you want a smooth finish. You get me? You just want to blend that out, and don't forget to put it on your neck, you guys. Put it on your neck. Put it on your neck. It's so important. You don't want to be two different colors. Put the makeup on your neck. Not a whole lot, but, you know, blend it out on your neck. Go in with my Shape Tape Tarte Concealer in Deep and put that under my eye. And you don't want to put too much products, or you're gonna we're just gonna take our same beauty blender and some spray. And we're gonna blend it out. Before I started like doing highlight and stuff, I was felt like, why do you bitches do that? And you guys, you do this because once you put on your foundation, you lose dimension in your face. Make sure everything is like blended, and if you even want, take your foundation brush and blend where things seem to not be blending. This is the contour. Now I contour how I like to contour. I don't contour how anyone else likes to contour, just myself. So if you don't like how I contour, then you is in the wrong place. So this is my favorite brush. This is the number 3 by BH Studio Pro, and it's awesome for contouring the whole sleek nose thing. Like, I like the nose God gave me. So this is my contour palette, you guys, the NYX highlight and contour palette that I use. And I just go in, and also right here, wherever the sun hits, that's where you normally contour. See that? What I like, basically. Not really what I see. I'm just doing what I like. I don't like to do the most. Basically, blend and make sure everything is even. Powder, the banana powder, obviously, and we're tray. beauty sponges, but I like to use this brush. I love this brush. It just works really good for me than a beauty blender. I just want to lightly apply this powder. And I just blend it out the same way. Now I know a lot of people don't do their makeup like that, but that's how I do my makeup, you guys, because that's how I like it. Then highlight, it's Peach Kiss. Looks really good. See that? So you just take a little bit, not a lot, and you just basically highlight right in that area. And you see that, guys? That's how I like to highlight. And up my nose. Just like that, you guys. To go in with like a blue. I love blue under my eye. Revolution Retro Luxe lip kits, and they were only $4 at Ulta the other day, so I had to get them. And it comes like this with a color and a pencil. And take your bow down once and apply. And take a cosmetic sponge and kind of just and then you can take the other end and you can clean it if it's not how you like it. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.